Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shamiriel if this is your first time here. And in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you some of my favorite gadgets that can make life as a content creator so much easier, whether you're just now starting or you're looking to upgrade your gadgets, your tech. I got you. So I've been creating content for over 10 years here on YouTube, and these are just some of the things that I've been using lately that I think can really be helpful for you. So whether you're looking for recommendations from filming to editing, everything in between, I think these essentials will be beneficial. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you're not already. Thanks. We're going to start off talking about tripods. One of the go-to tripods I've been using lately, let's remove the attachment. This is clearly something to hold the phone, but this baby right here, it's a sturdy clip-on tripod, and you just clip it to whatever device it'll fit onto. Put your camera, or if you're recording with your phone, the attachment, this attachment does not come with it, I don't think, but I will have all of the products listed. So if this doesn't come with it, I got you. But that is not the point. The point is, this tripod I think can be very helpful depending on what you're trying to shoot, the angle from which you're trying to shoot it. And you know, sometimes a big old tripod just isn't necessary. So this one is something I definitely recommend. I think having a variety of tripods is something that to me is definitely needed in YouTube creation, or in content creation, because again, you just never know what you're gonna need and when. I personally use this one when I work out. I clip it to a nearby table, and then I put my phone in here, and I'm just able to get different angles when I work out as opposed to using a regular schmegular tripod. Feel me? So I think this could be helpful for you when creating your content. This one is for your desk, or maybe your vanity, or just whatever. As you can see, it has levels to it. So I personally like to use this to put it on my vanity, which is where I'm recording now. I put my phone, now this does come with it. I put my phone in this area, and it's just, again, the tripods, the traditional tripods can sometimes get in the way with the tripod legs and just all of the different things. And so just having something in here, and this tilts and turns and does all the things, having this is just something easy to just be able to plop down. You don't have, oh, that was loud. To be able to plop down, you don't have to worry about, okay, am I level? Am I centered? You know, is the bubble in the right spot when you try to level out your tripod? Just something helpful and handy to have to the side. This tripod is a sticky tripod. This one I found works best up against a mirror. I haven't used it along any other surface, just a mirror. And so it comes with the, you know, this is the part you put your camera on, or again, your phone holder. And hold on. So this is very loosey. So you can adjust as needed once you suck it, or once you, what's the word I'm looking for? Suction it. There we go. Once you suction it to the desired surface, and then you lock it in place, so it'll be like, oh, stick it, lock it, and then you can adjust this as needed, as you just saw. So for this, I found it to be helpful if I'm doing any kind of in front of a mirror shots. So again, you would take something like this, some kind of phone holder, get that on there, position it like that, suction it to the mirror, and boom. It's a POV kind of type view. Lord, that took a lot of brain power. But you get the point, I hope. I think this can be super helpful. You suction it to the bathroom mirror, or again, just whatever surface. I only have experience putting it up against the bathroom mirror, nothing else. And then position it as necessary. Boom. Just that kind of POV, Vogue. You know how they do that Vogue get ready with me in the bathroom type video? That's what I think of, that kind of content when I see this. Or you can suction this. I do have a little bit of experience suctioning something like this to your dashboard, and then you can vlog in your car. And if you have any issues getting it off, just use a credit card or, you know, your license or any kind of card to help pop it off, and you should be good to go. The next tripod, I'm gonna have to insert a picture of it because I'm actually using it now to record this video. It's just a regular schmegular handheld tripod. The thing I like about it is that it extends very far in the event that you need it to extend far. And it also comes with, do I have it here? It might be downstairs. It also comes with one of those Bluetooth remotes, so you can set the Bluetooth up with your phone, you know, pair it, and then you can use it, put your phone on the tripod and get your selfies and all that. See what I'm saying? So yes, I pretty much use this particular tripod, again, the one I'm gonna have to insert a picture of. I pretty much use this tripod anytime I'm vlogging. It's a comfortable vlog. It's a comfortable tripod to hold in your hand as you're vlogging, and it's just good. So I highly recommend this one as well. Okay, next up is something else I'm gonna have to put a picture of. It's similar to this tripod in the sense of it clips. I have it clipped to my vanity right now, and then it also has a section where it can hold a phone, and then it also has a teeny tiny ring light attached to it, which I'm using as I record this video as well. So this setup comes in handy. I wouldn't use it solely for lighting if you don't have to. I do have another light to my left that is helping illuminate me during this video, but this one gets the job done. The ring light is cute. I'm not going to blind you with it, but I do think that this could be something else that could be useful. Again, if you're recording makeup products or just anything laid out on a desk, and you can use a little ring light to help light it up, and then your little phone holder right here. Just another option to have to help you create content. Speaking of lighting, this light, it comes with one of these tripods I just showed you, but I can't remember which one. But again, everything will be linked. So this one takes batteries, if I'm not mistaken. I'm scared to try to open it and break a nail. But this one takes batteries. Again, I believe it has the little thing right here so you can slide it. Depending on the type of camera you have, you should be able to slide it into the top part of it. The camera that I'm using, that I will reference later, has this ability. And so then it has the on-off button. And as you can see, there are levels of brightness. Does it go? And it has the cool light, which I enjoy. Let's see, is that it? Okay, so low, medium, high. And that's a lot of light for this little light. Really? Yes, I heard it. Let's see, let me turn this one off. Yeah, and see if I were to put it up top. Not bad. Not bad at all. Now, granted, I do have this ring light that I mentioned before. I do have that on me as well, and I could turn it off, but I don't feel like reaching for it. So that's helpful. So we have that light, and then, hold on, let me turn it off. Okay. Speaking of lights, I bought this one separately. This does not come with one of the tripods I showed. I like this light because it clips on to your phone. So say you trying to take a selfie and it's dark. Hello. Hello. Now, mind you, I haven't turned that light on to the side. This is strictly from this camera here, or I'm sorry, strictly from this light here. You can't tell me. Yeah. And I'm sorry, I keep looking at myself in the viewfinder just to make sure that you can see what I see. So you can't tell me that this isn't good lighting. And then I think it had, oop, yep, see how it does the warm? I don't like that. I like this. Yeah, there we go. Okay, now I'm blinking lights from looking at them too much. I've learned over the course of the past couple of weeks that I am a Canon girly. So take from that what you will. But I tend to lean towards Canon, so the Canon M50, M as in Mary 50, is what I am recording. That's typically what I use to record my vlogs. recently I borrowed a camera, and this is how I learned that I'm a Canon girl, is because the camera that I borrowed is a Sony. I like to get cameras that have the viewfinder option, which this one does as well, as you can see. And so then this one is cute. So either of these I recommend. So this one is cute. Yeah, it's just funny because I can see how different I look in both viewfinders. Not in a bad way, just different. So I say all that to say, either one of these cameras I would recommend. This is a ZV-1, she says with conviction. Again, this is not my camera, I borrowed it. So in the event that I am not accurate about the title, everything I have will be linked. But I do think that it's simple enough to be able to grasp how to use to create the content. You feel me? Yeah, you do. Okay, so let's see. When it comes to editing, I don't know if I've mentioned this in this video, but in my past life, I used to be a reporter, and part of my job was editing the stuff that I would go out and shoot with a camera, a video camera. See where I'm going with this? Okay, so the point I'm trying to make is editing comes easier to me than I think it does someone who doesn't know. And the editing software that I have been using for years and loving is called Wondershare. If I can find a thumbnail, you already know what's going to happen. I think Wondershare is very easy, or what is the word I'm looking for? Beginner friendly. I think Wondershare is very beginner friendly. I know I'm a PC girl in terms of computers. I want to say some of the newer ones come with this software called ClipGrab or ClipChamp. Whatever's accurate, I'll be sure to put it right here. And that also to me is beginner friendly. And if it comes with your computer, that's something I suggest you just explore more when it comes to editing, and just learn, you know, inputs, outputs, transition, how to make the music fade in and out. Again, I think Wondershare is great for that, and it's just been my go-to for years. Every year I just renew my membership and just keep using those to create my content because it's easy. I like the templates and the editing effects and the fonts. Can't say enough good things about Wondershare, so I highly recommend that one. So in the event that you aren't trying to download or buy any kind of editing software, I feel you. One thing that I would suggest you invest in when it comes to editing on your phone, despite me being a PC girl, I'm an iPhone user, not the point. InShot app. It looks like that. Great when it comes to editing any kind of video, and it allows you to be able, so prime example, I have a video that's saved in drafts now. It allows you to adjust your dimensions, so it has a setting for Instagram, for Reels, for TikTok, and it gives you the option to be able to say which one you want to use to edit your video. YouTube, is that YouTube? No, it's not, but it's, oh, that was YouTube. So you get my point. It just gives you the options. It gives you music, background, stickers, lots of filters, lots of options with text. I love InShot app. I want to say it's $4 a month, and that's something that I think is a good investment. Speaking of editing and just tech overall, you may or may not have seen this. You may or may not have seen this app when I was showing you InShot. Canva. I love Canva. Canva is what I use. I use it for a myriad of things. I use it for mainly my thumbnails. You can also edit video in Canva. And yeah, it's just, they give you examples, and literally you just plug and play, and you can paste your videos and edit your fonts and all of those things. So that's how I do my homebody diaries, vlog, thumbnails, and things like that. It gives you inspiration and just examples that you can use and then tailor to make them your own. Love Canva for that. I do pay for my membership with them as well, but they do give you options for there's certain things they'll offer to you if you have a free membership, but then there are other things where you pay per usage, or again, you can just pay for a monthly membership and then you just get everything that they offer. So I personally use Canva at least once a week when I'm creating my vlog thumbnails or just any thumbnail in general, because it's just so many options to choose from. And what's the phrase I'm looking for? The possibilities are endless. So highly recommend Canva. Okay, I'm going over my list, and yes, those are my content creation faves. I hope you found this helpful. I hope you learned something new. If you have any of these products, if you're thinking of trying any of these products, because I said that you should, let me know. Again, I'm going to link everything down below. I wish you so much luck on your content creation journey. And until my next video, I'll see you later. Bye.